Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide posts on Instagram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. In your homepage, find the post that you want to hide. Once you have found it, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, tap on the hide option. This will remove the post from your feed without deleting it. And this is how you can hide posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.